How to connect Alibaba to Wix. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to have Alibaba together with your Wix Studio over here. So if you actually look over here on the left side, if you click on apps, we will be able to see all kinds of apps in the apps market. In the app market, this is where you should be able to check out if a platform can connect with your Wix website. So if you search Alibaba over here, we will be able to see all different apps that would allow us to connect with Alibaba, as you can see here. So there's not much over here. It's majority are third-party platforms that are actually not Alibaba themselves, but they have connection with Alibaba. So for example, this one, you're able to import reviews from AliExpress, Alibaba, Etsy, and more. Together with AutoDS, you are able to get products from Alibaba. If you connect to AutoDS over here, you will have access to Alibaba. So it depends on what type of connection do you want to have with Alibaba. So simply select or read through specific options or specific apps over here and select the one that applies most to the situation that you're handling. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.